Super excited to announce that all the speakers of International Bulk Wine and Spirit Show are now online. So go to IBWSSshow.com and check out the speakers. Like, we've got some amazing speakers, solid conference around the subject of bulk wine, private label, contract manufacturing is going to happen in San Francisco on July 25th and 26th. So looking forward to see you soon. You're going to learn about the business of bulk wine. You're going to see, you're going to learn about where are the opportunities in buying and selling of, bulk wine. You're going to learn about the technical blending. We will also be having a talk about non-alcoholic wines and beverages. So if you are a winery, distillery looking to, start that SKU or that part of the business, we have Bev Zero giving a talk on that subject as well. We have, Cutwater's Spirits President, one of the fastest growing RTD brands, talking about how to grow a fast business, still in 2023 and still manage your business.